Consumer Protection Act and its redressal machinery in India. Consumers have always been defrauded by the sellers. Time to time, the governments have tried to protect the interest of the consumers through various forums and various redressal machineries. In India also, the Government of India has designed Consumer Protection Act 1986. Consumer Act aims at preventing the businesses that indulge into fraudulent and unfair practices to gain a big chunk of market. One of the acts designed to protect the interest of consumers in India is Consumer Protection Act 1986. It is an act of parliament which was enacted in 1986 and got President's assent on 24 December 1986. The Act describes the provisions for establishment of councils, settling of the disputes and regulations for the benefit of consumers and various other guidelines incidental to it. The Act provides for 6 rights to the consumers, wherein the consumers have the right to get information, right to seek the redressal, right to be heard, right to have quality goods, and right to access whenever information is required from the seller. To protect the rights of the consumers, the redressal machinery has been created at 3 levels: District Forum, State Commission, and National Commission. These work at the district level, state level, and national level respectively. This slide gives a brief description regarding the redressal machinery under this Act. First of all, District Forum. It is established by the respective state government under Section 9, while the State Commission is established by the state government under Section 9 and National Commission is established by the central government under Section 9. The composition of District Forum is defined under Section 10 and State Commission under Section 16, while National Commission under Section 20. The President of a District Forum is a District Judge, President of State Commission is a High Court Judge, and President of National Commission is a Supreme Court Judge. In District as well as State Commission, there will be 2 members, excluding the President, and one of them should be a woman, while in case of National Commission, there will be 4 members and one of them will be a woman. For all the 3 tiers of the redressal machinery, the minimum age for the selection of any of in all the 3 forums, the minimum age for selection of a member is 35 years. While the qualifications for all the 3 are: the person should be having a bachelor's degree, person of integrity, honesty and standing, minimum 10 years experience of law, accounting, industry or commerce. Let's discuss about the terms and conditions and salary and allowances provided to the members and President of the Commission. Every member can hold the office for a time period of 5 years in all the forums, but they can hold this office up to the age of 65 years in District Forum, 67 years in State Commission, and 70 years in the National Commission. The salary and allowances of the member and the President will be prescribed by the state government in District and State Commission, while it will be prescribed by the central government in case of National Commission. There will be a selection committee for the selection of members, in which the President of State Commission, Secretary in Law Department, and Secretary in charge of Consumer Affairs will jointly create a selection committee for District and State Commission, while in case of National Commission there will be a Judge of Supreme Court, Secretary in Department of Law Affairs, and Secretary in charge of Consumer Affairs. The pecuniary limit of District Forum has been given under Section 11 subsection 2, wherein the complaints can be filed whose claims for value of goods and services do not exceed ₹20 lakh. While in case of State Commission, the pecuniary limits have been discussed under Section 17 and the complaints related to the value of goods and services between ₹20 lakh to 1 crore can be filed. In case of National Commission, the pecuniary limits have been given under Section 21 and the complaints related to goods and services up to more than ₹1 crore can be filed. For the district forums, if a consumer is not satisfied by the decision given by the district forum, he or she can appeal to the state commission against the orders of district forum. And if he or she is not satisfied with the decision of state commission, again it can be appealed to the national commission. If a person is not satisfied to the decisions of national commission, even the complaints can be forwarded to President of India. Another important point I would like to describe here is the frivolous complaints are heavily fined under the Consumer Protection Act. No doubt, the procedure for filing a complaint is quite easy. On a plain paper, you can file a complaint, and there is very minute fees only in case of district forum. Still, the frivolous complaints are heavily fined, so that such complaints are discouraged. Thank you so much.